In order to get Edge Lighting or Edge Lights on Nothing Phone 3, we need to go to the Play Store and we need to download an app that allows us to get Edge Lighting. So in my case, I'm gonna write Edge Lighting, and we have, for example, this Movies Edge app that not only provides Edge Lights, but also AOD. Of course, we have AOD, but if you like a custom one, then you can also use this app for that. So over here, we need to tap over here where we have Draw Over Apps. And then from the next screen, we need to select Movies Edge. So let's select it, and then we need to allow. Let's go back. And after that, we also have the music overlay, AOD music, and AOD notification, which we can enable if you want to. And of course, make sure that we are in Edge Lights over here. So we have this example Edge lights that you can see on the screen. However, we can customize it. We can change it completely by going to lines over here. We have different categories that we can choose from. Some of these options are premium. I'm gonna choose this one as an example. We can also press on this pen icon over here in order to, for example, change the direction, change thickness, and so on and so forth. We should also be able to change colors over here in the top right corner. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one, and then we can just press apply in order to start using it. Now, I'm gonna also grant these options. So let's use that. This might be recommended to use. So over here, we need to select Movies Edge and allow notification access. There we go. Let's go back. And there we go. So now the app should be ready to be used. And keep in mind that since we have AOD, you might want to turn it off. So we can go to settings. And over here we have always on display. I'm just gonna turn it off. I don't want AOD because I actually like the AOD that we have over here on this phone. And we can also completely, maybe not completely disable, but we can find some additional options over here of Edge Lighting. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.